Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I'm up to. Today, what I'm up to is starting my reborn kit. And I just know that it was a rare one, she said, but it says 42-08, so I'm assuming it was in 2008. So anyway, I really wanted a sleeping baby because I can root really well, and I was excited because there's really good detail in the eyes. And I just got my non-bake paint set. I will show you. I got a bunch of them down here. So you get like a whole kit. I think it was $32 on Amazon. This, it's the address where, I mean, I got it on Amazon, but that's her private, or whatever, her store's address. I'm getting tongue-tied here. And then she says you can also email her at this. See if I can hold my hand steady. I'll read it. It's honey. It's HUNNYBUNMAMA at gmail.com. HUNNYBUNMAMA at gmail.com. So you get one of these nice textured sponges, and it's just awesome for texture. She did give me one of these, but I bought a baggie of them. Now I'm going to start with this one here, and it says clear base primer, shake well, smooth on with soft sponge, let dry before painting. And the very first step is I already gave my baby a bath. Let me just show you. These are the feet. I think they are just absolutely adorable. Yep, there's still water on it from me washing. And I think the creases and the bending are in really good spots. Here's one of the hands. And they are full limbs. And what I have planned to do, I probably will not share my secret, what I have idea for doing for the nails. I'm just stoked. This is just very detailed. She said it was a rare Behringer kit. I thought, what the heck? You know, I mean, you only live once, so you might as well enjoy life. I'm shaking this up really well, and I'm going to use this smooth sponge. And if you want to make sure you can see me, my camera is in front of me, but my monitor is to the right. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to take my finger, and I'm just going to kind of tap it around. Grab my... I haven't decided if it's going to be a boy or girl, so... But I am going to pounce all over. Make sure that there's primer everywhere. Hope everybody is staying safe. Let me tilt this up. Gosh, I got my window right behind me for great lighting, but makes for me to be dark, I'm sure. It's a challenge to keep, maybe I need a wider lens camera. Is that what I want, I guess? I don't know. I'm so silly sometimes, trying to fix it, you know. Kind of when you do that with your finger, it kind of like absorbs in the sponge too. Then I just don't want like whole gobs of this. She had a bath already. I know she's gonna have a full head of hair because I can root like nobody's business. I probably shouldn't have put my curtain up like that, but just want to make sure every spot is covered here. I thought I caught something moving on the corner of my eye and it's me. Oh, I've had a long day. I'm really having struggles. The COVID cases still go up and up and up. They're not going down. They really don't want you out. You definitely need a mask on. I PPE all the time before I leave the house, and I always have extra in the car in case I forget something or somebody's with me. Seems like there's a spot on the head. Hope I can cover that. Just want to make sure I have, like, I haven't done the other ear yet. I know that much. I haven't done this side as well as I did the other one. I mean, there's a lot of prep to this, and I was so worried that I'm a very impatient person. I really like to get stuff done. Like, I get it, I want to put it together, be done. I don't know why. I don't know if it's I guess the joy of making something sometimes goes away. It's the excitement to see the end result. You know, I mean, I'm a gamer too, and it's just funny that it's really crazy because it does seep right into the sponge. Oh, somebody's dragging something. There's a campsite right up the road, and these people are absolutely, I forgot to turn on my recording light. Hold on. Oh, I thought pulled my curtain down so I wasn't so white for you guys there. You know what I mean, washed out. So yeah, it's just like I think it's more of the excitement of having, I want my own reborn, you know, that I made. And I think I could be really good at this. I think there's a lot more girls and boys, but I think every woman, I would imagine, every woman to a certain degree, you know, really that childhood doll that either they had or wish they had and they couldn't afford. That's how I am with those silicone dolls. I'll never be able to get one. And I just could never afford it. So on, like, this is gonna be, I'll label this, I think, like reborn chat and get to know me. So check this out, guys. I had a weird conversation. I made it weird. And now, I don't know, maybe you guys, someone can give me some advice, whether it be younger sister, older brother, younger brother, good advice. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna have to try to cut that off later, I think. Oh, I know. I'll paint it brown and I'll make it a mole. But I think I'm getting married. And I don't know what to tell the person. Yes or no. I've been in love with him for years, but it's not like he ever really acknowledged me. And now all of a sudden it's like he's acknowledging me. Not going to say all of a sudden. We used to be gamer friends. And I have such lack of trust. Been hurt so much. I remember at one point I'm like, that's it. I'm becoming a full-fledged lesbian. I can't take this, the whole male thing. And gotta pull these out gently. I won't bore you with, I'll just do these limbs. I'll tuck quick or whatever. Just, oh, I hate feeling like I'm in a hurry. But anyway, I'll shut my worry trap. I didn't screw it tight last time. I got it all over. And I'm sure, like, the primer is... I wonder if she sells it separate. I really didn't go on her site because I found it on Amazon as a kit. Like I said, for $32, but I could see where you would go through this primer rather quickly. And I just want to make sure her leg is dry. But she does explain in there, like, if the skin is too pink, use this, this, and this. And that's pretty cool. But stated that if you don't use the primer, the paint won't stick to it. And then you have to wash it with, like, dish soap because it was, like, you could tell it had, like, some kind of oil in the process of whatever the material is. I mean, we know it's vinyl, but is there latex? Is there rubber? Is there, there's different, all these chemicals that make this material. How about that? For trying to talk. I mean, the toes look just so cool. It looks so real, right? See if we can get this footsie in here. From this angle, it looks like a baby sticking out of the box. Oh, it's funny. Oh my goodness. Yeah, don't look at my mess. Between moving and storing and organizing and having a business in a very small space, it's very difficult, to say the least. And I'm very warm. Whee! Got some light on at least. Oh, water just dripped out of the arm. Yeah, I'm not well off where I got like one of those even like drying stands with all the like little legs sticking up. One more arm. I'm so hot. I'm trying to fan myself and shake the bottle. So my channel, yeah, it's changing up. It's changing so fast. I can't believe my store is closed. But I'm gonna open a yard like sale tent for the whole rest of the summer, good weather time. This little hand. I'm gonna make sure I get all them creases so good. Look at this. Isn't that just awesome? And I mean, look at that elbow. It's a fancy elbow. All right. Let's see if I get that down there without getting too many. It's got another little mark on the finger. That's like so weird. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out with me, Silkyfeather. Like, subscribe, and share. Yeah, my channel's changing. I'm going to be more towards reborning dolls and doing more of what I enjoy to do. Whether it be my art, whether it be just talking to you because you guys are my best friend. And as Inborn with, wait, In Love with Reborns 2011 says, family. You are family. I love it. I love it, love it. I made them a really cute shirt. I can't wait to get it out in the mail and get it to them. They got a surprise package on the way. Bye, everyone. Thanks a lot. This is Silky signing off. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye.